Alright, this is a quick tutorial on how to open the RobotC program. As you can see the document in front of you, there are 4 simple steps. Okay, first you're going to find the program folder on your desktop, right there. Okay, then you're going to find RobotC programs. Then you're going to find the RobotC for VEX Robotics 4.x. Double click it. What should pop up is this screen. There may be some downloads that they want you to download. Just click cancel. If you've already tried to download it, click stop or cancel as well. This is your basic screen, okay, when you first open it. As you can see, there's a bunch of different things over here. You've got new file, open file, save. You've got file, edit, view, robot, window, help. You're going to be using robot and window a lot. Okay. To start a basic robot, you're going to go to robot, compiler target, virtual worlds. And then you go to window, select virtual world use, and whatever one you're going to start on, you use the one you're going to want to click. Okay. So say I'm going to start a new one. I'll go new file. Then your basic brains of the robot are going to be under motors and sensors, standard model, select configuration, GTT. Okay, click apply. Go to motors. Find the port 2, which is your right motor. Go to the reverse column and click. So you have the right motor that is reversed. That's going to allow us to actually go forward. Click apply and OK. And there are your brains for all the basic things that we're going to do. And depending on what the actual level has you do is then you come in here and code. And that should get you set up.